You are cutting meat directly off the leg.
Of a live bull.
Here we go. Man, look at that. Wow.
Thank you. So that's the Black Pig of Spain. Roads free in the wilderness until it's cured.
Did you say the Black Pig of Spain?
Black Pig of Spain, only 5% of the pigs in Spain qualify to be turned into a Iberico ham.
Holy
Go
man.
ahead and point your camera right there. Right there.
There it is. Holy shit! In the handbasket! Holy Jesus Christ! That's like... Wait. Is there bacon made from the same Black Pig of Sad Black Pig of Spain?
No bacon.
No bacon?
It actually is. It's the garlic and sanity bacon from 1732. It's $20 a pound.
Oh my god. Cinco...
Pochos. 22 pounds of acorn a day, all that fat actually has been proven to lower cholesterol.
How is that even scientifically possible?
It turns into monounsaturated fat due to the acorn diet. It's rich in amino and oleic acids.
Mark my words, acorns next hot health trend.
Really? Mark her words. So the pig eats nothing but acorns.
Nothing but acorns, 22 pounds a day.
20 pounds of acorns a day? That's a lot of acorns. A squirrel can't even...
Big pig, that's his leg.
Squirrels are pissed off.
This is the shoulder, so the front legs.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
So the shoulder, because it has the bone in it, but also because it's the shoulder, you're going to get a lot moister cut of meat because of the bone, and the curing process is going to hold the moisture in. The shoulder, the muscle meat is going to be a lot leaner, a lot less tough, because it's not going to be as developed as the back legs.
That is 100... Okay, here's a question. Has anyone come in here and got a pound of that meat?
We've sold 4 of these in the last 2 weeks.
The whole leg?
The leg. I mean, like...
Just, I'll take that, thank you.
What
would you do with that at home? Okay, you carve it up?
You slice it
Not in,
into
like,
little thin slices, like
Yo.
thin slices, no bigger than about this long, and it's not pasta sort of thing. So
I bet you the fat, the skin there, cooked up, I bet you is unbelievable. Like,
you
I
had
mean,
someone come in and buy the fat.
just the fat. I don't even want the meat.
If you wanted to render it down, cook with it.
Sure, it was delicious.
The bones make a great stock. Try that.
Oh, yeah, it's
Try that.
$5, sure, I'll take it. And this is the, then what's this meat here?
This is the sweet kova.
Oh, yeah, sweet, yeah, that's it, with the red pepper
It's
oil.
the red pepper oil.
Oh my, yeah, no, that is, dude, seriously,
That was Jay's master.
how are you guys alive?
Man over here.
Like, dude, like, I think I felt one artery close when I tried that one. Oh my god.
Mind blowing, huh?
Dude.
Pretty mind blowing.
And you know what, if I was really to work in the food business, this would be the place to go. This is like heaven on earth. This is ridiculous.
You should go check out our cheesecake.
We were just, trust me, I got some Idiazabal. Oh no,
Hey!
meat and cheese, man. I don't, wow, that is, alright, here we go. Wait, too thick, here we go. Here we go. I don't know how I live with myself. What? I don't know. Live sampling. Oh my god. Red pepper oil. The saltiness from the meat and the oil and the pepperness, the spiciness, unbelievable. Wow. The Bruner Brothers, God bless them, man. God bless us all. Thank you very much, man.